today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Stripe product. To get started, sign into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct account before making changes, because deleting a product is a permanent action and should be done carefully. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Product Catalog. This is where Stripe stores the products you've created, so it's the main place you'll go to manage them. After the product catalog opens, find the product you want to remove and click on it to open its details page. Take a moment here to confirm that you've selected the correct product. This is especially important if you have multiple products with similar names or pricing structures. Once you're on the product page, go to the top right corner and click the More menu, shown as 3 dots. This menu contains additional actions for the product. From the options that appear, choose Delete Product. Stripe will then display a confirmation prompt before anything is removed. Carefully review the confirmation message on your screen. This step is important because it gives you one final chance to make sure you really want to proceed. If everything looks correct and you're ready to continue, click Delete to permanently remove the product. After that, give Stripe a moment to complete the deletion. In most cases, this only takes a few seconds. It's a good idea to wait until the action fully finishes before navigating away, just to avoid confusion or incomplete loading in the dashboard. When the deletion is done, return to the product catalog and check the list again. Look for the product you just removed and confirm that it no longer appears. This final check helps verify that the deletion was successful and that your catalog is now up to date. One quick tip before you do this in your own account: always make sure the product is no longer needed before deleting it, especially if it has been connected to payment links, pricing setups, or other parts of your Stripe workflow. Taking an extra second to verify can help prevent mistakes, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to delete a Stripe product directly from the Stripe dashboard, from opening the product catalog all the way to confirming that the product has been removed. Thanks for watching.